Hi, I'm Hanya. I just completed the Kids Tech and AI course at UI Learning, and it was one of the best things I've ever done. I learned to type fast, create colorful posters, design games, build websites, and even use real AI tools. In the first module of the course, I mastered digital skills. I created Word documents, animated slides in PowerPoint, and fun charts in Excel. Then came the coolest part, coding games in Scratch, writing Python code, making websites, and using AI to create videos and designs. We started by learning what a computer is, its parts, and how it all works. I love discovering how it helps us learn and create. I practiced typing, organized files, and even created my first email to browse the internet safely. My Scratch cat could dance, jump, and score points in the game I built. I even presented it in class. With Python, I made my computer talk, solve math, and run a guessing game. It felt like real programming. I used HTML to build my profile webpage and styled it with CSS to look super cool. AI was so fun. I made posters, generated voices, and even built a talking animation for my school project. If you want to learn like I did, join this course. You'll create awesome projects, learn real tech, and have so much fun doing it.